the jiko, and I want to put on some water so that we can cook tea. Ndio taiga sifuri. Ilete hapa. Unajua hatujapea kuku chakula. Acha niwashe jiko tupee kuku chakula. I'm going to show you a very simple process of lighting a jiko, but if your mom finds you using that process, you are dead meat, because we are going to use some of her cooking oil to do this and her tissue. Let me get the tissue. You get a small piece of tissue and you place it on the jiko, just like that. After doing that, you get a very small amount of cooking oil. And you pour it on your tissue, just like that. And then you take your matchstick irudishie mafuta. So guys, this is the easiest way of lighting a jiko. The only thing is that if your mom found you, you are dead meat. But now you know, just a tissue and a tiny amount of cooking oil when you are in a hurry. Okay, you're welcome. And the jiko is ready. As you can see, it is nice and well lit. So as I leave the boys to continue with the other stuff, with the other tasks, I'm going to cook breakfast and proceed to washing the utensils later